Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video now I'm going to install the TWRP recovery in Realme X7 Max. So it could be based on any custom ROM. For example, if you're on the stock UI as well. So this is the same procedure, and I'm so sorry that many of the users asked me how to install the TWRP recovery, but actually it is very important, I understand. But as I am having only one device, so that is the main problem. Already the device's bootloader is unlocked and also the TWRP recovery is installed. So that is the reason. So sorry for that. So I'll just give you a brief description how exactly you need to install the TWRP recovery. So this is the same for even if you are in the custom ROM or in the stock UI. So the basic things you just need to check is your developer options should be enabled. So let me just click on this. So you just need to tap the build number. So once it got enabled, you just need to search for developer options. So as you can see, these are the developer options, and here you should turn on this particular option, which is USB debugging. So this is the main important thing. So these are this is the first thing you just need to do in your mobile phone, even if it is on the stock UI or any custom ROM. And now you just need to turn off your device. So you just need to simply turn off your device, and let me just turn off the device, and you just need to press all the three buttons at a time so that it will be into the fast boot mode. So once after it is in the fast boot mode, you just need to connect your mobile phone to the system, and I'll just show you my computer screen what exactly needs to be done. Okay friends, so once your device is in the fast boot mode, so you just need to connect your device to the system, and these are some of the files. It is mandatory files. You just need to install it in your system. So one is recovery file and the other is VB Meta. So let me just tell you clearly, after unlocking the bootloader, you just need to disable the VB Meta for the Realme X7 Max device. So after unlocking the bootloader, this is the main step, and after disabling the VB Meta, you just need to go to the recovery and you just need to flash recovery using the command prompt or Windows PowerShell. So in my case, I will use Windows PowerShell, and you can also use the command prompt. Okay, so let me just do one thing friends. So right now you just also need the platform tools. So if you just extract this, it will be here. So you just need to open this folder, and here just click on hold the shift and click on right click using your mouse, and now here open the Windows PowerShell. So I won't do this, but I'll just need to tell you this, because disabling the VB Meta is very important friends. So let me just show you my notes here. So this is the procedure which I have done. This is my notes. So what you just need to do is VB Meta command. So this is the VB Meta command. So after unlocking the bootloader, this is the command you just need to use. Okay, and also you just need this particular, let me just show you. You also need this VB Meta image. So this is a VB Meta image file. So after entering the command, you just need to drag this and paste it here. So let me just enter the command here. So as you can see, this is the command. So as I am using the Windows PowerShell, I just need to give /. If you are using command prompt, no need to give that /. So let me just click on fast boot space disable verification flash VB Meta. So as I just typed the command, so again give the space option, and now you just need to drag this VB Meta file to here. So once you drag that file, you just need to click on enter. So friends, I'm so sorry I'm not doing this now because I have already disabled the VB Meta. So if I just done the same, there might be an issue. So that is the reason I am not doing this. So this is the same procedure. So let me just tell you one more time. After unlocking the bootloader, you just need to disable VB Meta using this command, which is fastboot space -- disables minus verification flash VB meta, and after that you just need to drag that file. For example, if the VB meta file is in downloads, go to the download session and simply drag that file and paste it here, and after doing this click on enter. So once after the enter, it will be it will just work. And after doing this, after disabling the VB meta, disable, so you just need to do one thing, that is flashing TWRP recovery. So in order to do that, so let me just cancel each and everything, because I'm not doing the disabling of VB meta. So please do that carefully, no need to worry about that. If at all if there is any issue, you can just ping me in the comment section below. So here, as you can see, after VB meta, you just need to flash recovery. So in order to flash recovery, you just need to enter the same command, which is fastboot flash recovery. So after entering the command, you just need to drag the file. So here in this case, this is the file. You just need to drag the recovery file and paste it here. So let me just show you, friends. So as I'm using Windows PowerShell // fastboot flash recovery, you just need to enter this, again space, and you just need to drag this recovery file to here. Okay, so once after doing this, I just need to click on enter. So I'll just click on enter and I'll show you my device how exactly it is working. So just a moment. So right now I am in the fastboot mode in my device. So let me just try to click on enter here. So friends, as you can see, it is on the fastboot mode. So let me just click on enter. So you will get like this, sending recovery, and there will be a recovery thing. It will be run in your mobile phone and it is finished. So once after doing this, let me just show you another command, that is fastboot reboot recovery. So you just need to enter // fastboot reboot recovery. So after doing this, just click on enter. Your mobile phone will be rebooted into the recovery mode. So you will see the boot animation of your UI. For example, if you are in Realme, it will show you Realme, and if you are in any custom ROM, it will just show you the boot image, and your mobile phone will be redirected into the TWRP recovery. So friends, as you can see, now it is booted into the TWRP recovery. So this is the procedure how to install the TWRP recovery in Realme X7 Max. So please hear from now. So first of all, the main thing is unlocking the bootloader. After that, disable VB meta using the command that I will mention in the description below. After disabling the VB meta, you just need to flash recovery using fastboot flash recovery space and drag that TWRP file and paste it here and click on enter. So it will be redirected into the TWRP recovery. So friends, if at all if there is any issue, so please mention in the comment section below, so that I'll definitely try to give a reply. I'll definitely give you the reply, because I know what is the difficulty to install the TWRP recovery, because I asked many of the users who already dealt with it. So if at all if there is an issue, please let me know in the comment section below. Hope you like this video, and please join in the Telegram channel, because if at all if there is an issue, you can just leave a comment in the Telegram group as well, and I'll also add some of the files related to this TWRP in the Telegram group. Okay, so thank you so much for watching the video. Please like the video, and subscribing the channel would be appreciated. Thank you so much.